So here I'm taking a look at the Q300L V1 versus the V2. So we got the V1 over here and the V2 over here. The first thing, of course, is just going to be the design. So we got that little kind of hex shape on there, which is pretty neat. I do like that. It doesn't look any worse or better on this one, I don't think. Things that I do notice is that this side panel, this one is glass on the V2. The V1 is plastic. We got the plugs here on the left on the V1. The plugs are on the top on the V2. We also got the power button here. The power button is on the side. I did notice that because this side panel is a little more flexible, I prefer having it on the top on here just because this is a lot more stiff. These screens are removable. It's kind of like a deceiving, I'm not sure why it does that, or it looks like large holes there, but they're not there. So I don't know what's going on there. But basically the same pattern right here and right there. So you have screens on the top and the front on both of them. We also have screen on the bottom on the V2 and on the V1. We do have feet on the side. You do have to take these off with Phillips head screws on all four corners if you want to remove that side panel, and that is the same on both. Building them is about the same. Don't really notice a heck of a lot different there. I do notice that I can see inside the glass panel on the V2 better than I can on the plastic panel on the V1. If you had stuff that was more lit up, you'd be able to see in there better, but the glass is just a little bit better if that's something you care about. But overall, very good options for some nice cheap cases.